Okay, lesson 8.5 is common factors in products. And we know that a factor times a factor equals a product. So instead of our normal way of solving a problem, if we had 10 over 1 times 1 over 4, 10 times 1 is 10, 1 times 4 is 4. This is the normal way we would do it, and we know that they're both even. So we know we could take out a common factor of 2 out of each one. And we would get 10 divided by 2 equals 5, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And with an improper fraction, we have to make it into a mixed number. So we would take 2 and divide it into 5, and we would end with 1/2. But in today's lesson, we're going to take the same problem, 10 over 1 times 1 over 4, and we know the common factor is 2, we're going to take it out before we do the multiplication. So 2 goes into 10 5 times, 2 goes into 4 2 times. Now we're going to continue with the problem. So now we have 5 times 1 over 1 times 2. And we get an answer of 5 times 1 equals 5, 1 times 2 equals 2. Again, it's the same. And we have to do the same thing because it's an improper fraction to make it into a mixed number. So basically what we're doing is we're just taking the common factors out earlier. The one thing that's good is now that you're multiplying smaller numbers versus big numbers. So here's another example. If you had 2/3 times 3/5, you can see that they both have a 3. So you can take that out. 3 goes into 3, 1 left over. 3 goes into 3, 1 left over. Continue with multiplying, and you have 2 times 1 over 1 times 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. There's your answer. One more problem. If we had 2/3 times 15. Again, we put the 15 over the 1. So we see there's the 3 and the 15. There's no other even numbers, so we can't use the 2. So we're going to take 3 out of both of these. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 3 goes into 15 5 times. Now we multiply. 2 times 5 over 1 times 1. So our answer is 10.